That's not a left, ma'am. Ah. Alright, so I think today is going to be a little bit of why I got into motorcycling and why I got into motovlogging all in the same video. So don't expect anything great. I've only been riding for 3 years and recording for 2, so nothing extravagant or cool. I'm not famous, obviously, so so anyway, the reason I got into motorcycles in general, like, I'm the only person in my family that rides. Grandpa used to a long time ago, back when my mom and dad were like single digits. I'm saying that because dad's almost 50, so like he's 5 years off of 50. Mom's not too far behind, and she used to ride in the back of his Goldwing when she was like 5 or 6, and he'd just like ratchet strap her to him, so that way when she fell asleep inevitably to her riding, she wouldn't fall off. But like, that man's got some stories, because he used to haul feed for his cattle on that goddamn Goldwing. So he's been around the block a few times. He knows what's up. Anyway, so off topic. Why I got into riding, not riding stories from my family. So it's gonna sound really stupid, but it's because of quads and video games. Mainly quads. Because when I was younger, and I still even now, but before I got into biking, we were able to ride quads on the roads up in Canada. I'm a Michigan native. We bear hunt Canada, so that's the heads up on that. But we could ride the quads up there at speed, and it was a fucking blast. You can't do that here in Michigan or America unless you're like in a special area, unfortunately. So I figured, hey, fuck it, let's get endorsed. So I got endorsed. Took the 3-day MSFK course, not case, my bad. Took the 3-day course, got fully endorsed within those 3 days, going from never having shifted a motorcycle to I can go legally ride on the road by myself, you know? That was pretty cool. So that happened, and then like, I had planned on, I don't even know what I planned on getting. I remember thinking about wanting to get a Yamaha Bolt, and then read they're the same size as a Sportster, so I was like, ooh, good beginner bike. And then I remembered, I'm a fucking giant, so there's no Sportster for me. That's why I'm on a Dyna. This Dyna is my first ever street legal motorcycle, and the first bike I ever got with my own money. Sorry, second bike I ever got my own money, because I've only ever paid for my own bikes, so my parents they don't disapprove of it, but they'd rather me not be doing it at first, so I had to pay for my own shit, still do anyway. But I bought a YZ250F as a starter bike, ran it off on the road, not on the road, ran it off the road all the time, because, you know, off-road, motocross track only, but I threw a spark arrestor and went to trails, but, you know, fuck it, whatever, don't talk about that illegal shit. Also, off topic, I'm back on topic now, I promise, guys. I had that, rode it on the trails for about a few months, because it was one of those Facebook marketplace buys where the guy was like, oh yeah, it's fine, it just needs like a little bit of TLC. Like the cars needed adjusted, or else I had to hold it just a little bit open so it wouldn't stall out on me. So I did that, got that adjusted, put a new kill switch on it because it kept fucking up. I got tired of dumping the clutch to kill it, because, you know, that's bad for bikes, whatever. And then shortly after that, I was riding in October with my family, and it was cold as balls, and I was going, and then the head gasket went out on it. That pissed me off, so I was like, never buy anything on fucking marketplace again. So I bought this after that. I was supposed to be saving money for a new top end on it, because it didn't grenade it, but it was bad. Like, the piston was fucking cracked in half damn near. So instead of putting money into that bike, I just saved another $1,000 and put $2,000 down on this bad bitch, and now I've got Dyna. And that's about the start of my motorcycling career. And now I've been on a lot of bikes since then, which is pretty cool to think about, because like, I know I'm not trying to like be that guy that brags about my experiences, but I've only been really riding for like 4-ish years at most. Like, the first year was Yamaha, and then I bought this in 2019, rode it in 2020 with 8 hangers on it for the first time because 6-inch bars sucked. And then now it's 2021 and I'm out riding, so yeah, like 3 years. Sorry, 2018 to 19, 19 to 20, 20 to 21. No, it's been 3 seasons. No, I don't know, man. So I know that it's weird with the seasons. Maybe I've only been riding for 3 years. I don't fucking know. I think it's only been 3 years. No, 4, because of Yamaha was 1 year, and then 19 was 1 year, and then 20 was a year. So yeah, Yamaha, low bars, tall bars, shitty setup with mic, and then this year. So yeah, this is my 4th year riding. And I've already been on 1000cc sport bikes. Like, I know they're just demo runs, but like, dude, I'm out here fucking experiencing shit so I can talk about it later, you know? Like, yeah, my videos might not always come out the greatest. I might not always ride it like people want me to ride them, but I'm out here having experiences that I can tell people about when I'm in my 50s. Like, hey, yeah, I rode one of those before. And actually mean it. Oh, that's a fucking deer. Oh, that was cool. And you know, like, because you get all those old guys that are like, oh, I used to ride this, or I rode one. It's like, oh, really? Did you now? Yeah, I did. I'll be that old guy saying that. Yeah, I did. So I got into motovlogging in 2020, like seriously motovlogging. Before that, I just had the GoPro on my helmet in case like something happened, and I'd take cool snippets and throw it on Instagram, you know. So if you go far enough back, you'll see the bike with like 6-inch bars, which sucked ass. Then you'll see me like talking about, "Who, I need new bars," and now here I am. Oh, that's close enough to a stop. And then in 2020, I decided, hey, let's turn this into a YouTube channel. I'll readjust all my settings. I spent my tax returns on a Hero 4 Black and a whole setup for it, just for it not to work. So I was kind of bummed out about that, and I just used my Hero 7 White, which is why early videos you just hear me yelling at the top of my lungs, hoping to be heard, which didn't work out because, you know, as dumb as this sounds, one of my most viewed videos behind my Z900 video is a Chieftain Dark Horse. I had the 7 White, I was trying to be heard, and that is like ratioed almost 100% negative negative on the likes, you know what I mean? Like, it's all dislikes damn near. Sorry, it's almost a 1-to-1 on dislikes to likes, which, you know, it hurts a little bit, but I understand. I get it. Ain't nothing I can control. But I really got into it because Mackinac Rider was getting into it. And I kept on ow. Fuck, I caught a bug to the eye. 1 second, guys. Sorry. Ah! I'll just coast. Sheesh! I didn't think I had to back brake that goddamn hard. Anyway, but I got into it because Mackinac Rider was getting into it. And as dumb as this will sound, I saw all these other like people riding, making money off of riding, and at that point I was sold on riding for the rest of my life. So I was like, huh, what if I get big and I can actually like use money from YouTube from riding my motorcycle to fund my living so I can keep on riding my motorcycle, you know what I mean? I was like, holy shit, that's an idea. So I'm not gonna lie, as much as I love doing this for fun, there's a little bit of me that hopes I get famous so I can like monetize, get these sponsors, these deals, get the ads that I want to have on there. I don't know what ads I want to have. I'll take whatever's thrown my way if it's not political, honestly. Like, I know I get political sometimes, but I don't want to be paid to be political. I'd rather just be like something I talk about on accident without realizing and leaving it in a video. So it is what it is. But I digress. I started motovlogging because a friend was doing it. I wanted to get into it myself. Want a slice of the pie of motovlog money a little bit. Still do. Really hope for the best on that. Pray for me, guys. Still working full time, by the way. It's not my gig. I'm just working full time and hoping this takes off. Started biking because I was on quads, thought it was cool. Then I played video games. I rode motorcycles in the video game because I was like, motorcycles are cool. Then I was like, damn, gotta have one. So I bought one. And then after having my damn, I bought one, got the camera. Started, cool, little snippets. And then, damn, people make money doing this? Holy shit, I'll start. And then I had a shitty startup because I didn't have a mic. I just had a Hero 7 White. That was like the bare minimum you can get. But you all know that if you're into cameras. There was nothing on it you could do to it except like plug it in and slap it on your face. So, and now here we are, where I've got the Hero 8 because I used my Biden bucks on it. Would it be anything worth a damn? No? You wanna go? Thank you. I'll just end it there. This has been Squid. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a comment saying why you didn't. Roast me. I don't give a shit. Ooh, a Ranger. I don't really give a shit. I'm not too pressed. I'll clap back because it's fun, but... Or I'll try to clap back, but, you know... So I ain't too pressed about negative comments unless they start getting really nasty. Then it's like, okay, hold on. Why are we doing this? But... Hope you'll leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun bullshit that everybody tells you to do at the end of videos, or not. I don't really care. It's not really big to me, so hopefully you'll have a wonderful day and keep the rubber side down, yo.